Hello, guys. So, as most of you know me, I'm Aditi, and you have seen my posts on my fitness regime, my workouts that I've been doing. But today was a special aha moment for me, or one of the target goals that I achieved, and hence I wanted to share my journey with you. So, uh, uh, I when I started this fitness journey in August, I weighed 73.5 kgs, and over last few years, I have been weighing in the same range. And this morning, when I saw 64.8 on my scale, I was like super duper happy because last time when I saw 64 on my scale, it was a decade ago when I got married in 2014. So I was immensely happy this morning. And but although this journey, when I started, initially it was about dropping those extra kilos, but then while being on the journey, I realized that I don't want to just lose weight. Like I just don't want to see that drop in number on the scale, but it's about becoming more fitter, more stronger, mentally as well as physically. There have been daily struggles, like lifting weights seem difficult at times. I transitioned from 2 kgs to 5 kgs to 7.5. There were days or moments rather when holding the plank felt like an eternity, but I didn't give up. Every repetition, every drop of sweat taught me that true strength is not just physical, it's about dedicated mindset. So these workouts actually taught me about discipline, perseverance, balanced lifestyle. These are the real game changers, if I have to say. And none of this would have been possible without my fitness mentor Kunal. His guidance, his encouragement, belief in my potential has been, you know, uh, has played like an anchor through all this tough times. He not only showed me proper techniques, but also instilled in me the importance of consistency, discipline, and self belief. So today I stand here not only lighter in weight but also stronger in my spirit. And my journey is not yet over. So I have much more to do, and my next immediate goal is to do 10 push-ups without saying an out. So I'm gunning towards that, and I think I'll kill it. So yeah, that's all. And uh, I am quite happy and just happy with the new healthier version of myself. And I'll stay committed towards my health, fitness, and overall well being because good health can't wait.